Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to create multiple Trust Wallet accounts. First, open your Trust Wallet application. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually found by tapping the gear icon. From there, select Wallets to view your current accounts. This is where you'll manage all your digital asset portfolios efficiently and securely. It's a straightforward process to expand your crypto management capabilities. To add a new wallet, simply tap the plus sign, typically located in the top right corner of the wallet screen. You'll then have the option to create a new wallet or import wallet. For a completely new account, choose Create a New Wallet. This action will generate a brand new set of 12 recovery words, essential for accessing your funds. Remember, never share these words with anyone. After choosing to create a new wallet, you'll be presented with your unique 12-word recovery phrase. It's crucial to write these words down accurately and in the correct order. Do not take screenshots or store them digitally. Once written, store this phrase in a secure, private, and offline location. You'll then be prompted to confirm the phrase, ensuring you've recorded it correctly before finalizing your new wallet setup. With your new wallet created, you can now easily switch between all your Trust Wallet accounts from the Wallets section. Each account functions independently, holding its own set of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. This allows for better organization of your digital assets, perhaps separating funds for different purposes or enhancing your overall security strategy. Enjoy the flexibility of managing multiple portfolios with ease.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.